How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can print supports with different filaments with Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the support option. And of course, we then have to click on the enable support. Right after that, the support functions will then enable. So you just have to look for the filaments for support option. So if you want to print your supports with different filaments, you have to select the support raft base or the support raft interface. Now for this one, I'm going to use the number one ABS filament that I have. And for the second one, I'm going to use my red ABS filament right here. So that's how easy it is to apply filaments to your support. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.